out there have heard about the Lord's Resistance Army or the LRA war, but typically you have not been in the experience. Now, me, I'm somebody who have experienced it, and today I'm here to tell you how we used to call the LRA in Uganda or Northern Uganda, the Acholi people, and also even the rest of other tribes in Uganda. They used to call LRAs the LRA. Starting with the Bantu people, they used to call it the Kony. They used to call the rebels as the Kony, and as well they used to call the Children and Northerners as the Kony. They generalized. Back at home in Northern Uganda, we the Acholi used to call it the Holy. Holy, the name was derived from the origin of that war, where they say they are holy, the Lord's resistance. They're some kind of religious belief of Kony's father called the Koya. That's why people used to call it holy. So when they see that the holy is coming, they say, Holy Tika Binu, that the holy have already arrived, you run. Then also, the third name that we used to call LRA is Ulum. Ulum means somebody who likes staying in the bush, somebody who has gone mad in the bush. So the children used to call them Ulum. Then our brothers from Lao used to call LRA as the Totong, people who cut people with panga, axe, and the rest. That's how they used to call it. That is the fourth name. So I've talked about the Kony, the Ulum, the Holy. Then again, the Kony, the Holy, the Ulum, then the Lakwena. There are those who call them Lakwena. Lakwena is an Acholi word, or the Luo word, which means a messenger or a messiah, actually a messenger. So the idea of calling them Lakwena was related to the idea of the war of Alice Lakwena. Alice, who fought Museveni's regime with a lot of spiritual powers, is the one, because of the spiritual relationship between Alice and Joseph Kony, is the reason as to why some people called LRA as Lukwena. Lukwena, Lukwena, that the messengers have walked from that side, oh, they have gone the other side. Those are the names that people used to call the Lord's Resistance Army, aka LRA, and the leadership of Joseph Kony. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.